When Elisha, the man of God, heard the king of Israel had torn his garment, he sent word to the king, "Why have you torn your garment? Let him come to me and find out that there is a prophet in Israel." Naaman came with his horses and chariots and stopped at the door of Elisha's house. The prophet sent him the message, "Go and wash 7 times in the Jordan, and your flesh will heal, and you will be clean." But Naaman went away angry, saying, "I thought that he would surely come out and stand there to invoke the Lord his God, and would move his hand over the spot and thus cure the leprosy. Are not the rivers of Damascus, the Albana, and the Pharpar better than all the waters of Israel? Could I not wash in them and be cleansed?" With this